Connection of water and compressed air.
Lift the side panels up and remove them. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws left and right from the electrical box. Remove the lid of the electric box. Connect the exhaust drain pipe. Connecting the water inlet pipe. Connect the compressed air inlet pipe. Open the compressed air source. Lift the compressed air flow regulator and turn the knob. When the settings are complete, press down on the flow. Compressed air pressure is usually about 0.6. Open the external water valve.
Connection of electricity.
The external power cable must be routed through this hole. The three on the left are fire wires. The one on the right is zero line. After the connection is complete, ensure that the power cable is securely secured. Ground wire is connected here. Turn on the external main power supply. Turn on the device air switch. Press the power button. Don't touch the screen. One person gently press down here with an insulating object. At the same time, the other person observes whether the vacuum pump fan rotates in the same direction as the arrow. If the rotation direction of the fan is inconsistent with the arrow, it is necessary to cut off the main power supply and the air switch of the equipment, and then arbitrarily switch the connection of the two live wires and test again. According to the above steps, ensure that the vacuum pump fan rotates in the correct direction.
Operation procedure.
Tap anywhere on the screen. Click Operator. Click on the blank box and enter password 333. Press Login. Click Door. Click Open Front Door. Wait a few seconds and the door will open automatically. Put in sterilized items and close the door. Click Close Front Door. Push gently on the door with your hand until it locks tightly. Front door closed and door seal. Lights are on, indicating that the door is closed. Go back to the home page and select the program you need. After checking the parameters, press the Start key. The device will automatically run until the end. Ensure adequate water supply during operation. Thanks.